Hey guys, this is a quick video to explain how to create a test plan for Power BI using BI Validator. To begin with, you need a connection. So go to the BI Connections wizard, either here or on the top, and create your Power BI connection. I recorded a different video to explain the same. You can follow the steps. Once you have a connection to your Power BI successfully established, then you can go ahead and create a test plan. So I'm selecting Power BI report here. In this screen, you can set up the name of the test plan, which is an optional thing. You can select your BI connection. In my use case, I only have one Power BI, so I'm good. And then there are a few advanced options, which you can ignore for now. So I go to the next screen, and here it says that I need to drag and drop the report that I'm interested in from the right side. So on the right side, you see a list of all the various workbooks and all the reports associated. From this list, what I can do is I can select, let's say that 2016 budget and take a snapshot. So now what's happening is BI Validator actually hits Power BI instance and tries to get a response back and store it within the system. This may take a couple of seconds. Once you do a drag and drop from the right side onto this area, the same thing would be reflected on the left side as well. And once this is done, it shows that this particular step is complete. Yep. So it completed 1 out of 1. I can drag as many as I want to, but just for the purpose of this demo, I'm using only one. Now I can minimize this because I don't need this anymore. And then on the left side, you will see that the particular page shows up. And this is what BI Validator did right now based upon the options. Now I can go to the next step and click on run. But just to show you some difference, what I will do is I will go to the Power BI instance. So notice that I baselined in BI Validator at a point of time t0. Now I'm going into the application for Power BI. I will select the report that I'm interested in. Yep. And then I will edit this just to simulate a change. So if I click on edit, then I'm in the edit mode. Let me select this. This is the workbook. Let me select the report. All right. Now I'm able to see this report and I want to get into the edit mode for this. So let's say I click on this and click on edit. Right now, this first report, it's showing only one brand, Contoso. Let's say I want to edit that and apply the filters to select all the brands and save it. This report is saved. So notice that the first time when I did a drag and drop into BI Validator, when I did a drag and drop of the report, it happened at a point of time t0, and now I changed something in the report at a point of time t1. So if I go into the run and click on this button, BI Validator tries to compare the differences between the same report at a point of time t0 and at a point of time t1, and it will give you insights on what exactly the changes are. In my scenario, let me just wait for a couple of seconds and then it should display that there is something wrong between the T0 and T1 snapshots. So if I click on page 1, the benchmark, I can view the benchmark data. So it shows this is the number, this is what it is. And if I click and view the runtime, then it shows that it has all these various brands. So this is a very quick way for you to understand if there are any changes which happened on your Power BI instance. So you can drag and drop as many reports as you're interested in from the workbook level or at the page level, and you'll be able to see the differences in the reports. You can also notice if there are any filter differences. As you can see here, the status is displayed and this is missing from the benchmark and this is what is missing from the run. So it will give you a list of all the filters which are different and the data as well. I hope you find this helpful. If you have any questions, drop us a note at contact@datagaps.com. Thank you very much.